Hello guys, welcome to my channel Information Technology. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install the Cassandra 6.5 on the Windows operating system. Okay, let's go. First of all, we're gonna go to the browser of Google Chrome here, and then open the link. I actually keep the link on the description. You guys will find there. Here, Cassandra 6.5. Click here and then download. Here appear this option because I already downloaded this software here in my system, my operating system here. That's why. And then click OK, click next, 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 and then finish. Alright, it's very easy. And tap at the right, then click finish. And then here you have Cassandra 6.5 on the desktop. Double click here. Wait a second. It takes the time to open this software because my computer is a little bit slow because I didn't put the SSD drive. Here is Cassandra. Guys, here one of my thing is Arabic language to the option. So don't worry. If your operating system is English, you will get English version. Alright. And then also you'll find here the language you can change from here also. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on the next video.